Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. There is another video in differential calculus, particularly on finding equations of tangents and normals. So there are three exercises here, and I hope that through these exercises, your knowledge and skills in calculus will be enhanced, hoping that you will excel and be good in differential calculus. Not only differential calculus, but in the whole calculus. So here we go. These three problems are taken from the book by Love and Rainville on page 59. And the numbering is the same. So 11, 12, and 13. So find the equations of the tangent and the normal at the point indicated. So first 2xy plus 5x minus 3y equals 0 at x equals 4. Or we will treat x or x1 equals 4 and we'll find y1. So 11, that's the given equation. Then we differentiate this. This is product. So 2 times quantity x y prime plus y times 1. Then plus derivative 5x5 minus 3y prime equals 0. Then we have y here. So this is 2 times quantity xm. So 2 times quantity, let's solve for y1 from this equation. So 2 times 4, because x1 is 4, times y, which is just y1, plus 5 times 4, minus 3 times y1 equals 0. 8y1 minus 3y1 is 5y1. 5y1 equals negative 20. So negative 20 over 5 is negative 4. So y1 is negative 4. Then for the slope of the tangent, let's substitute here. X is 4 and y1 or y is negative 4. So 2 times quantity 4m plus y, which is negative 4, plus 5 minus 3m equals 0. So we have 8m minus 8 plus 5 minus 3m equals 0. 5m equals 3. So m equals 3/5. If the slope of the tangent is 3/5, the slope of the normal is negative 5/3. So the equation of the tangent from this slope here is 3x minus 5y equals 3x1, and x1 is 4, minus 5y1, and y1 is negative 4. Therefore, the tangent is 3x minus 5y equals 12 plus 20, 32. So 3x minus 5y equals 32. The slope of the normal, by the way, is negative 5/3, negative reciprocal of that. So the tangent is 3x minus 5y equals 32. The normal is 5x plus 3y equals 5 times 4 plus 3 times negative 4. So 5x plus 3y equals 8. 20 minus 12 is 8. So 5x plus 3y equals 8. That's the equation of the normal. We then proceed to the problem 12. So x squared minus xy plus 2y minus 2 equals 0. So we differentiate this first. So x1 is negative 2. So 2x minus quantity xy prime plus y times 1 plus 2y prime equals 0. Then we'll find the value of y1 when x is negative 2. Substitute into that equation. So simplifying first, 2x minus xm, y prime is replaced by m, then minus y, then plus 2m equals 0. Then we solve for y1 from this original equation by substituting x or x1 equals negative 2. So negative 2 quantity square minus quantity negative 2 times y1 plus 2y1 minus 2 equals 0. We have 4y1. This is 4y1 equals negative 2, or 4 plus 2y1 plus 2y1 minus 2 equals 0. for y1 equals negative 2, so y1 equals negative 1 half. Having found y1 negative 1 half and x1 is negative 2, we then find the slope into this equation. So 2 times negative 2 minus negative 2 times m minus negative 1 half plus 2m equals 0. 2m plus 2m is 4m. 4m equals 4 minus 1 half. And 4 minus 1 half is 7 halves. So m therefore is 7 over 8. The slope of the tangent is 7 over 8. The slope of the normal is negative 8 over 7. So if the slope of the tangent is 7 over 8, the equation expected is 7x minus 8y equals 7 times negative 2 minus 8 times negative 1 half. So this is negative 14 plus 4, that's negative 10. Therefore, the equation of the tangent is 7x minus 8y equals negative 10. For the normal, it is 8x plus 7y equals 8 times negative 2 plus 7 times negative 1 half. So 8x plus 7y equals negative 16 and negative 3 halves. That's negative 39 over 2. 8x plus 7y equals negative 39 over 2. Multiply everything by 2. So the normal is 16x plus 14y equals negative 39. Then finally, for problem 13, quantity x minus y squared plus 4x minus 1 equals 0 at 0, 1. So differentiating first, this is 2 quantity x minus y raised to 1 times quantity 1 minus y prime plus 4 equals 0. So we substitute x is 0, y is 1 to solve for y prime or m. So 2 quantity is 0 minus 1 times quantity 1 minus m plus 4 equals 0. So this is negative 2 plus 2m plus 4 equals 0. So 2m equals 2 minus 4, negative 2. So m is negative 1. If the slope of the tangent is negative 1, the slope of the normal is the negative reciprocal of negative 1. So it is positive 1. Now for the tangent has the form of equation x plus y equals x1 plus y1. So x plus y equals 0 plus 1 because x1 is 0, y1 is 1. So therefore the tangent is x plus y equals 1. Then for the normal, x minus y equals x1 minus y1. x1 is 0, y1 is 0. So x minus y equals 0 minus 1. So the equation of the normal therefore is x minus y equals negative 1. So that's it for this video.